Another video, except this time my microphone decided to start creakling throughout all the audio, and I have to do a voiceover for at least a few points of this first clip. Anyways, we're going to spin the wheel, look for random video games to repair, and try to learn how to repair them as a novice. William will assist us and get us the game we are going to be working on. So let's spin the wheel and see what he's going to give us. And let's grab the bin of games. I forgot what game we were working on, but that's okay. Game Boy Color, see how genius I am. Alright, let's shuffle through the games, see which one we're going to be working on, and we are going to be working on Driver. And not only Driver, but Driver, you are the wheelman. I don't remember what I was looking at here, but I'm sure it was absolutely fascinating. Let's go ahead and test it out. Oh yeah, there was a burned mark area thing, I think. I can't remember. Anyways, let's go test it out. And here we go. Plugging the game in. Flicking the switch. And no Nintendo logo. Actually, there's a Nintendo logo, but it's incredibly garbled. So, what do we do when there's a Nintendo logo that is garbled? We clean the pens. Or the pins, not the pens, but you know what I mean. I stand corrected. We actually cleaned the back because the back had a little bit of corrosive element or something on it. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Moving the camera in. I'm sure the shake was great cinematography. Anyways, we're going to clean the back of the cartridge, and I think this is the only point I need to do a voiceover. I hope. I hope the rest of the audio actually is salvageable. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Like always, Wyman glass stovetop cleaner and polish. I think it works great. Other people have had concerns, but I think it's fine. Oh gosh, I get concerned that I'm like gonna start editing these things and it'll just be so annoying I'll just have to remove the audio or something. Alright, now let's grab the Game Boy SP Advanced SP thing and pop it in. Okay, we're still missing the Nintendo logo. That's weird. Look at that copyright thing's perfect, but everything else is gone. So probably what we're going to have to do is solder this chip here, make sure that all these legs are connected to the board. From what you guys have said, it's probably a good idea just to freshen up these solder legs anyway. So let's go ahead and jump out there, do some soldering, enjoy this smooth music, and then, yeah, unless I can work up the courage to do a voiceover for the soldering, maybe at the same time. Maybe I should take my phone out there, record myself while I'm soldering. I don't know. I lack the resources. I think we're just going to keep it simple for now, and then, you know, maybe in the future we have that ability. So let's go ahead and check it out and do a better job this time the first time, because last time did this and I messed the soldering up and we didn't get a good game going. Let's try it. Enough rambling, enough procrastinating. Let's go. I was going to try to do a voiceover as I was doing things, but I had some technical difficulties. And what we're looking for right here is we're looking for little pins to move, and a couple of them already did move, so these definitely need to be soldered down. We're just going to add some flux, paste flux. This stuff heats up, make sure everything sticks to the metal, not each other, and flows really nicely. You can never have too much flux. Then we just go over the legs, and yeah, I probably could have done a lot better soldering job here, but you know, I'm still learning, so. Both sides of the ROM chip need to be soldered down. We're just making sure all these legs connect to the board and have a good solid connection. The solder will liquefy around them, sticking to where they need to go. making electricity flow where it needs to when the device is fully operational. I decided to switch over to the mapper chip and do one side of the mapper chip, and then I switched back to the ROM chip, did the other side there, and yeah, and then did the rest of the ROM legs. The mapper chip maybe didn't need to be done, but I figured it makes sense. I don't know if the same pressure is applied to that area. I feel like a lot of the stress and the pressure is applied to where the ROM chip is. Very, very common for these games to have this issue. I mean, honestly, if it's not dirty contacts, then it's probably pins that are not connecting right. If it's not pins that aren't connecting right, it's either broken traces or just a completely dead ROM, which I don't think I've encountered yet. So we're gonna switch back to the table and look how everything's going and try testing it out. And hopefully we did a good enough job soldering these chips up. And let's go ahead and find out if we did. And then we can finally be the Wheelman. And let's go put this back in. And now let's go ahead and test it out. And pop it in. And will it work? Aha! There's also some smudges on the screen which are really bothering me. That work? Okay, there we go. Well, we got another one going. What do you guys play on the widescreen or the original aspect? What the heck is that? Driver. I think this game came out on the Xbox and the PlayStation 3 or 2, I believe. Not 3. What the heck? Oh, that's adorable. Look at that police car. Look how, okay. Adorable. Alright, so is that just the credits? It's the credits. They're like, we're gonna force you to listen to. We're gonna force you to look at the credits. Let's see, best times, undercover. Let's go undercover. New game. Oh, continue game. Let's see. What is that? Looks like the Phantom of the Opera mask. That's just, that is, for everything, for every asset from this game they could have chosen, they chose this. And it's a password system. 4 faces is a code. Doesn't that look creepy to you guys? That's just strange. That's so creepy. Alright, but the code is 4 faces. Okay, get to the bank. Oh my gosh, there's a time limit. Wait. Oh, there's reverse? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. Whee! I may have failed the undercover part. Yeah, the directional button, or directional arrow is interesting. It kind of gives you a hint. I mean, it's like, just go straight. There's water right there. I can't go straight, sir. It's kind of a free roam. Oh, what? You wrecked. Oh, I wrecked the car. Wait, you can get felonies? Was that a felony meter? Oh, good heavens. Yeah, there's a felony meter. How do you get a felony? I just ran into 40 cars. Okay, it's not really my fault at this point. It's everybody else. I like how this channel's gone from repair to review. Hopeful game reviews. You just watch and wait. Anytime now, I'll become a reaction channel. Oh, the arrow changed! The arrow changed! Okay, just gotta be careful here. Oh, it's gonna take a lot more than bad controls, this tiny screen, and a wonky arrow to stop me. Running into cars? No problem. Running into... Oh, we're almost there. Get out of the way, blue! Get out of the way, blue car. Get out of the way, blue car. Move it, move it, move it. Go, 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 go. We gotta push him in there. We gotta do it. We did it! We got some jumping jacks. Go to the lockup. Okay. Okay, well, we've racked up a felony by playing the game. Okay. Apparently we're like gangsters or something. Oh, okay, now will it take us back? Is it a checkpoint? No, it's not a checkpoint! Ah! Oh no! Ah, no. Can't do it. That's a little bit too much. It's probably not gonna be sold. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I'm sure somebody would be like interested in a acceptable condition game, you know, especially if it's at a discount. But the post is messed up, and the sticker is really shot. We'll go ahead and pop over to eBay, see what the going rate for one of these games is. I don't think it's going to be much, but we'll check it out anyways. All right, just looked it up, and it's probably about $8 to $9, which it's not great. So on eBay, fees, if I'm remembering correctly, sometimes it changes between the categories, but fees are usually about 15%. So if you take 15% from 9, do the math. Then you also have shipping, which it's pretty expensive right now for shipping. If it's probably between $4, I think. I don't know if they still have first class shipping on USPS, so it might have gone up. It might have been the same, but basically, you know, $2-3 after shipping and fees and all that stuff. So, you know, I mean, they add up eventually, but you know, you sell 100 of these things, you know, it's $300. But that's if they sell and if you have 300, so or 100 or whatever. You know, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. So, at least we got another one working, you know. Building up our skills on these cheap games. Hopefully we can figure out how to build. Hopefully in the near future, because I know that I have some actually good, decent quality games, we'll have built up an array of skills and workarounds, and you know, make sure things look really good, especially if we're going to sell them on. So we'll see. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and God bless.